Welcome to your dream home. Nestled in a serene and picturesque neighborhood, this stunning single-story sanctuary is a true gem. Offering everything you could ever want and more, this spacious 3-bedroom, den, and 2-bathroom residence boasts luxurious upgrades and thoughtful features designed for ultimate comfort and convenience. Let's start with the heart of the home, the kitchen. This isn't just any kitchen, it's a gourmet chef's paradise. Enjoy a Frigidaire Professional separate freezer and refrigerator set, a massive 58-inch by 150-inch center island with cabinets on both sides, a 36-inch Jenn Air 6-burner gas range, and a GE microwave/convection oven. For those who love to entertain, the Beverage Center with its own refrigerator is a dream come true. And the Granite countertops throughout add a touch of elegance and easy maintenance. Moving to the family room, you'll notice custom built-ins, an electric fireplace with a gas line and vent still in place behind, custom drapes, and many recessed lighting. This space is perfect for family gatherings and large enough for a pool table setup, offering endless entertainment possibilities. Step outside to the copper-screened lanai/catio. This 9 feet by 15 feet outdoor living space is perfect for you and your pets to enjoy the outdoors in comfort. With built-in bench seating and storage, it's ideal for gardening and barbecue supplies. The attention to detail continues throughout the home with hand-scraped laminate flooring, new 5-inch high baseboards, and overhead fans in every room. Every aspect of this home has been meticulously designed and maintained for your comfort and style. For the hobbyists out there, the insulated garage is a dream come true. Equipped with cabinets and worktops, it's currently set up as a woodworking shop on one side, providing the perfect space for all your passion projects. And let's not forget one of the most impressive features of this home, its commitment to sustainability and energy efficiency with a solar power system. This means you can enjoy all these luxurious features with the added benefit of reduced energy costs. This home is truly move-in ready with a recently installed, top-of-the-line air conditioning and heating system, ensuring worry-free comfort and peace of mind. Ladies and gentlemen, don't miss this opportunity to own a home that offers both luxury and practicality. Schedule your appointment today to see all that this meticulously designed and maintained property has to offer. Your dream home awaits.